Meanwhile, a former Binay ally claimed owning a land without him knowing it. Former Makati Vice Mayor Ernesto Mercado claimed the land is part of the controversial estate in Rosario, Batangas. More from Sam Ramirez.
Ex-Binay ally and former Makati City Vice Mayor Ernesto Mercado is now claiming he owns the controversial agritourism park in Rosario, Batangas, dubbed as Hacienda Binay, a land parcel that is.
Ako ho ay nagulat na meron din ho pala akong property doon sa sinasabing Hacienda Binay sa Rosario, Batangas. At yan ho ay ipinahanap ko. Andyan po sa folder na ipinabigay ko sa inyo yung kopya ng TCT or OCT number P-36756 na meron hong kabuong area na 42,157. Kasama po yan doon sa 150 hectares na ipinipresent ko nung nakaraang hearing.
The said farm, supposedly owned by businessman Antonio Chu, became controversial because Mercado claims Chu is only a dummy, a front to conceal that the real owner is the vice president. In 2013, Chu said he bought the property from Laureano Gregorio Jr., who up to this day has not been found by the Senate Blue Ribbon Subcommittee. In the continuation of the subcommittee's probe, Mercado said a long time ago he was asked by then Mayor Jojo Binay to sign some documents. Being a loyal ally, he did so without knowing what they were for. However, he also can't recall buying a 42,000 square meters property in Rosario, Batangas.
Naalala ko po ito, Senador. Noon hong dumating sa bahay ko, yung aking tauhang inutusan ko, na ako nga ho pala noong matagal ng panahon, napakisuyuan ho ko ng ating Vice President na noon ay mayor namin sa Makati, kung pwede raw ho akong pumunta sa President Jose P. Laurel Rural Bank doon sa Tanawan, Batangas para pirmahan yung deed of sale na yan. Wala naman ho akong kamalay-malay noon, edi pumunta ho kami mag-asawa, pinirmahan po namin. Pero burado na po sa isip ko yun sa tagal ng panahon.
He now challenges Binay and Chu to either admit that the VP owns the property or give it to him since the land title bears his name.
Wala po akong pinipirmahang anumang pagbibigay ng karapatan, sir, kay Mr. Gregorio para masabing kasama yon sa binili niya kay Mr. Chu. Sayang nga lang at wala dito si Mr. Chu. Baka mamaya pwede na kami magtawaran eh. Pag maganda-ganda presyo, pwede na ho kami magbilihan. Unless na i-claim ulit ni Vice President Binay na, pare, akin talaga yan eh. Pinangalan ko lang sa'yo.
The said committee is poised to continue their probe on the 17th of November. For the People's Television, Sam Ramirez.